Hey, welcome to my channel where I've lost 175 pounds with keto and carnivore. Thank you for watching. Hello, I just got back from the red hat thing and I have to get my stuff ready for tomorrow. I don't have a lot of things to do. I just grabbed this out. Oh, that's the unstuffed cabbage roll. And so that'll be my lunch. And this, and then I'll have a Vega salad to go with it. And I've got a yogurt and my egg casserole. And that's what I'll be taking tomorrow for my breakfast and lunch. I know I said last night, you know what? We're going to do it right now. Time out. We're going to make chocolate electrolytes. So, that's cocoa. Sodium is 42 grams of sodium. Where's my salt? So I need 42 grams of my regular salt. That's going to take all day. Don't forget to pause. Give it time to fall. Almost 39. All right. So I have a video in my playlist, and it's the playlist of routine, weekly meal prep, something like that. And I do the logic of the math for how I got the numbers that I got. It is too late in the evening for me to remember. Oh, are you kidding me? Oh, it says replace battery. Uh-oh, let's see what kind of battery it needs. Needs a Duracell. I need to go get another one of these batteries for my scale to work. Hang on. This is my last battery. Somebody down in the comments, please, please, please post in the comments to remind me to buy batteries. Because by the time I get done with this, I'm going to forget. So just comment put in the comments, just say, Terry, buy, 9-volt battery. Please, please, please tell me. Because I'm going to forget. All right, so that was sodium. Now potassium is 22 grams. So I zero it out, and I'm looking for 22. What I did was I looked at I kind of looked at the Relight and the Element, and I kind of went between the two. And then the total, and then I have to do 146 grams of cocoa. And I don't remember which one of y'all told me. I'm thankful that you did. This cocoa has 2 carbs and 2 fiber. So this is the one I've been using. It's the Dutch process. So I need, how much did I say? 146 grams. So like I said, we are making our own chocolate electrolytes. Because ain't nobody got time to be paying $80 or $40 for a thing of something that we can make for, $4 or $5 at home. Now, I have much respect to the companies for making this, and for the people who don't want to make it at home. I think that's wonderful that you make this option available. And I did used to buy it, but by George, once I figured out that I can make it myself. What did I say, 146? Oh boy, come on now, get in there. All right, good enough. It's 150, close enough. All right, so now, let me kind of wipe this off a little bit. And then we'll put our lid on it. And remember to shake it up. Shake, 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 Sonora. Shake it all the day. Shake, 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 Lenora. Something, something, something. Shake, 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 Lenora. Shake it all the time. Shake, 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 Lenora. Something, something, something. There you go. Now, you have your own chocolate electrolytes that you can put in your coffee. You can put into whatever your little heart desires. Cocoa powder is very fine. And so it's what I dislike about making my own is that it sticks all over the place. Like it's right here on my shirt. But, hey, if that's, oh, shoot fire. It's real powdery and it just blows around. But if that's what I got to do to save myself $40, you bet your bitty it's what I'm going to do. I'm going to wipe off the outside of this. Otherwise, when I open it tomorrow, it'll go flying. It's just, like I said, it's just real light and airy. So, and just that fast, y'all. Chocolate electrolytes. Again, it was 42 grams of sodium and salt, 22 grams of potassium. Potassium is your no salt, your salt substitute things that you can buy. And then I just use the same container or the same little scoop. And that came with the, actually I'd use a tablespoon. But anyway, and I don't even fill it up anymore. What am I stepping on down there? Oh, paper clip. So yeah, so that's how I make my chocolate electrolytes. And we've got our food. Did I put that in the refrigerator? Oh no, I didn't. Oh, hold up. Yeah, let me put this and this away. No, I'll forget. Although I'll forget anyway. So in the morning, I'll make me some of my coffee. I've been enjoying, like I said, the really hot coffee. I've been enjoying it because, you know, I haven't been able to have it for a long time because of the you know, the protein powder and the collagen. I could not have hot coffee. So, all right. Yep, so I'll have that with some electrolytes and maybe some of this and maybe some of this. So, all right, I'll see you at breakfast. Oh my gosh, you all can't see. I'm so sorry. I was just talking and pointing out over here. I'm going to have my coffee in the morning in my red thing. And then we're going to have, boy, that looks gross down in there. You know, the thing is, I wash these in the dishwasher and you're not supposed to. I think I might have said that before, but I don't know. Anyway, it's kind of gross in there. I think I'm going to wash this one again. See if this one looks as gross. And I think it's about time Terry Toodle orders some more of these things. Well, I get them at Walmart. But I'm going to just wash them again, so they're just going to get rusty. Oh, well, what's a little rust? What's a little rust? It won't kill me. So we'll have that, and my coffee thing, and some electrolytes, and some sweetener, and some hazelnut. And that will be what I drink in the morning. So, all right. See you at breakfast. Bye. Good morning. It's breakfast time. I've got my egg thingy and some blueberry yogurt, and that's what I'm having for breakfast. Hey, something I wanted to share with you all. If I have a cheat meal or stuff that I, you know, more things than I usually eat, so more calories or like what I had last night, I just get up and eat the same old things the next day. So like I know my weight's going to be up because I'm sure there's more carbs in that than I usually eat. And you know, it is what it is. It wasn't like a candy bar that's going to mess me up. But I don't the next day starve myself or skip meals or anything like that. I've just found that the more I eat, like I always eat on the following day, as long as I just get back in that routine, it's a lot more better mentally for me than trying to skip meals and worrying about this, that, and the other. So that's just what I wanted to share with you. So when I have an oops or a planned oops, I just go back to eating the same the next day. So, all right, bye. It is lunchtime, and I've got my unstuffed cabbage roll. And remember, it has that riced chicken in it. And I got some Vega salad So that's my lunch. Bye. I am home from work and looks like I have some ground beef set out for tonight and some of the Italian pasta salad. I'm going to do some roasted red bell pepper strips inside of my ground beef. They're like a big old long worm. Blech. But they taste good. And then I'm going to put some tomato basil sauce, marinara sauce. I don't want to get carried away. I know a lot of times I haven't been measuring, or for something like this, I do want to measure. I'm going to do 113 grams. It's half of a cup, so it'll be 45 calories. Quite a bit. All right. Also going to add a little bit of rosemary, garlic, sea salt. I got this from TJ Maxx. And I bought this tarragon. Chef Pierre uses it whenever he does chicken. I want to know what it tastes like. Like nothing. Let's put a little of that on there then. Tastes like grass. Alright, so now I need to get a spoon out. I can smush it down a little bit. So I'm going to put the lid on it. And I'm going to microwave it. How long? 2 minutes. I'll be right back. Alright, I was thinking about putting cheese on it, but to be honest, the small amount of cheese that I use for the amount of calories, I end up not really tasting it, so I'm not going to. So that's what I'm going to do. This is going to be my main. So I'm going to have this. And we haven't had just a plain something or another in a long time, have we? And have that. And my pasta salad. Yep. Yep. I approve. I approve. Okay. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.